Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Jennifer Squires and here we make, paint, create, sew and have fun. Today my little girl has decided she wants a magical wand, and so we're going to make one today. So we're going to use chopsticks, hot glue and some dolly pegs. So let's get to it. You will need some dolly pegs, a hot glue gun and some hot glue sticks, and some chopsticks. I'm shaving down the fat end of my chopstick into a sort of wedge shape so that it fits between the two pinching ends of the peg. It should slot in nicely, just like this. We're going to stick it in with hot glue. I'm putting in a generous amount of hot glue into here so that I can jam my chopstick in and it should seal. Here we go. Now this is a low temperature hot glue gun, so it won't burn the fingers, and I'm using the hot glue gun to fill in all of the gaps and smooth it over with my finger. It is still hot, but it's just not burning me, but I do this often enough that I've got used to the temperature. I'm creating a texture on the outside of the peg by squirting on the hot glue and then just patting it up and down to make it sort of spiky and webbish like, so that when I paint it later on it will give this cool bark like effect. This does eventually burn if you keep doing it, so my advice is to do it in sections and allow it to cool, or dip your finger in some water in between tapping it to create the spiky bark-like texture. At the moment it looks kind of all frosted and honestly covered in spider webs and spit, but once it's painted the texture will look really cool. I'm just using some washi tape to mask off the slim part of the wand so that we only will get paint on the handle. And we're painting with this pretty bright green because this is a fairy magical wand according to Doreen, so it needs to be Tinkerbell green. And you can see the beautiful bark-like texture come through as it's been painted, with all of the peaks and the valleys left by the hot glue. All that's left to do is to remove the washi tape now that it is dry and present it to Doreen, which I did do, and it almost immediately became a microphone instead of a fairy wand. But if you like what you saw here today and want to see more things like this, leave a comment. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Thumbs up, thumbs down, you do you. Do all the things to please our algorithm overlords, and we will see you next time.